for you.
Okay, Kyrie, are you ready to open Aunt Jennifer's stuff? Come on. Come on, hold. Oh, Lacey's gonna help you. Lacey's gonna help you. Oh, what did you get? What did you get?
Yeah.
Oh, playtime with Pooh.
Oh, look it.
For the TV.
Look. That's
Should
big.
be right there.
Nice and big for Miss Kyrie.
How about there? There it is, right there.
Daddy, look.
Oh, it's very cute.
It's
I don't know.
produced it.
Joey, where did you
Oh,
put
there it
it?
is. It's underneath all this trash.
Let me see. Hold it
Wish
up.
they didn't have my size.
Yeah.
There we go. In typical
huge.
baby fashion, she's
She's
more
looking
interested
at the
in
paper. She says, "Oh, I like the paper."
Yeah.
This is what.
She's like, this is my present, the paper.
Do you like that paper?
There's another one here. How about we switch this out with this? Here. Here, Kyrie. Switch it out.
Where am I?
Switch it out. Come on. Grab
Where, Kyrie? Let's see. Oh, look at Kyrie opening the present.
that. Good girl. Here we go. Come on.
More
I
interested
think I
in
want.
Lacey.
I think I want Lacey's present.
She's like, that's a neat toy.
That's sweet.
This is from Aunt Jennifer, too.
Oh boy, look at Kyrie.
Look, let's see what's inside the box from Aunt Jennifer.
What did Auntie Jennifer send you? Let me see.
There we go.
Auntie Jennifer made it difficult.
Oh, look. My aunt loves me.
Oh, little propaganda here.
Little lady. Oh, look at that.
Little kitty on it.
It's a kitty cat.
It's got that kitty cat.
That's cute.
Oh, can't see it. Mommy's hair's in the way.
Alright. Thank you, Aunt Jennifer. Put that over there.
She's so busy.
It's like Lacey's toy?
Lacey, please move that, honey. Okay.
Oh, Lacey, what did it do to you?
Lacey. Off.
Is that an oven mitt? Is that what that is?
What?
Is that an oven mitt?
Yeah. That's from Indian music. Okay. Let's see what this is.
See. Oh my goodness, Kyrie.
What's this, Miss Kyrie? Ooh, Texas sauce.
Oh.
Little Texan.
Hold them up so we can see them.
Those are great.
Oh no, that's big. She's got the paper.
Here, you want these?
Where's my paper going?
You want those?
What happened? You keep losing your paper.
Here. Here, grab it. Grab it. There you go. Pull it.
Oh.
There we
That's
go.
yummy.
You're doing so good, Kyrie. You're actually participating. Good job.
Yeah, you were participating this morning.
Okay.
Whoops. She's falling over.
In the mouth.
Oh, look at
that's so
that.
That's for when you go to Houston, Auntie Jennifer said.
Look how cute.
Is that a deer?
It's a reindeer.
You gotta get a picture. Gotta get a picture. Put it on her head or something. Oh, jeez.
Backwards.
Put it on her. Let's see.
Yeah.
Hi, let's see. Oh, look.
That's funny.
Oh, it's cute. With paper in her mouth. Kyrie, look at Grammy.
Kyrie.
Kyrie. It came out cute. She's got the reindeer in her head. But she's looking at the
You
paper.
did good. Good job.
Oh,
Good job. All right. Okay. Good job. That was
That's
nice.
cute.
Thank you.
You have to take that with you next week, Jennifer said.
Yes.
That's to keep her warm.
That was nice. Thank you, Aunt Jennifer and Uncle Dave. Thank you.
All right. Now what are you going to take?